Another day, another AI tool outperformed the best performing AI model. Yes, you heard it right. We have been hearing about DeepSeek till now since last 2 to 3 days. It has outperformed OpenAI in like multiple scenarios, and it takes less computing power, so it has gained the popularity in a very quick way. It has surpassed OpenAI in terms of, I mean, ChatGPT in terms of downloads as well. But now another AI LLM from China is the talk of the town, is the talk of the world. When and another AI LLM from Alibaba group of China is saying that it has outperformed DeepSeek. The good thing is Qwen is more powerful and it has more features than DeepSeek and ChatGPT combined, because it has everything in single place. The same LLM capability or Gen AI capability of ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Along with that, it also has image generation and video generation in the single place, and it's proving to be more cost effective and more quick than DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Open Qwen 2.5, so it has many models. So this is the best model. You can see like it has image generation, it has video generation and everything. Let's try asking a basic question like, can you help me in providing code to build a one page landing web page for a portfolio. So I'm just asking Quen to provide me code to build one page landing web page for a portfolio website. So I'm just asking normal thing to check how I mean how quick it is. So it's providing me a code, and let's compare it with DeepSeek. Like I'm asking the same with DeepSeek as well. It's thinking. It one thing, it provided me instantly. It didn't took even maybe 2 to 3 seconds. It provided me instantly. So DeepSeek took around 8 seconds, but yeah, Quen provided me instantly. It provided me the complete HTML, CSS along with a JavaScript script to include in the HTML header section. Cool, like it is on the point. Like it gave me the code that I have asked instantly. DeepSeek took 8 seconds. It also provided me the same thing but with some more detailed information. But still Quen is good, like it provided me instantly. Now let's check another capabilities like maybe the image generation. Let's ask something like two dogs playing with a ball. I'm asking Quen to provide me an image of two dogs playing with a ball, because like most of the AI tools that are trending these days provide either text based resolution like ChatGPT, or mid journey based image generation, or video generation like Sora or Runway ML. But if a single app is providing all those things, then ultimately that's going to be popular, right? Yeah, it's good, like two dogs playing with a ball. It is absolutely spot on. Now we'll try the video generation one. Let's try the video generation one with the maybe same prompt, two dogs playing with a ball. Let's see what it has in store for us. Currently the video generation model, like it's not responding. Like I have been trying for some time, but still there is some problem with it. Maybe because it's new, or maybe it has more traffic. But yeah, we'll definitely try video generation again. But yeah, this is the overview of Quen. Like every day we have been witnessing a new AI tool overtaking the existing AI leader. So this seems very fascinating because we don't know, like maybe after 1 hour or after one day another AI tool will come into picture and it will overtake the existing tools. So we are in a position where we might witness FOMO after some days. Like okay, there were many AI tools, but how can we make sure like we are following all of them? Yeah, this is definitely a challenge, but I'm definitely going to help you. Like please subscribe to the channel so that whatever the AI tool that's trending, whatever the AI future that we should know, like I will update you so that you will always stay updated and stay in this AI race. Thank you for watching. If you feel anyone else would know this, please make sure you share this video and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.